Hi beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, we welcome you. Thanks for tuning in and we hope you'll enjoy the content. If you have been watching us for over the past few weeks, we welcome you as well and thank you for your continued support. Right, today as you can see, I'm wearing my apron. So I'm in the kitchen. So I'm gonna be cooking up a storm today. Not really. So about 2 weeks ago, I was going to lunch with my colleagues, and they were asking me, what do you guys eat in Jamaica? So I was telling them about rundown, and I was telling them about, how we make rundown and what's in rundown. And I was telling them about chocho. Well, chocho is not the right name, but I did not know the English name for chocho. So I told them about chocho. Lo and behold, today we went for lunch. And guess what we saw in the restaurant? So this wasn't really a restaurant, it's just like a small takeaway shop. And this small Italian mama, she was making the sandwiches with some different ingredients all from Italy. It was so tasty, and she had chocho in the shop, ton loads of chocho. So I said I was with my boss and colleagues, and I said, do you guys remember I was telling you about that chocho, green vegetable that I didn't know the English word for? It's over there. And so we all got fascinated, and they were asking me questions like, what is it for? Because nobody has ever heard of it. No one has ever heard of chocho or have seen the fruit. So the lady said she got it from her dad's garden, and if I want more. And this kind lady packed me a goodie bag full of chochos. So the right name of the vegetable, it's a vegetable, chayote. It's very good, it's very healthy. What I found, it's in the squash and cucumber family, and it's also full with vitamins, vitamin C and vitamin B, and it's high in fibers, so it helps you with weight loss. And it's very good if you're trying to cut back on like cholesterol levels and stuff. So funny enough, my son got sick today from tummy ache, and I got chochos. So now I'm going to make him a chocho broth, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make it. It's nothing like what we make in Jamaica, but because this little fruit has so much vitamins and so much goodies, I thought I would make it. And also so my colleagues could see how it's done, like how you can make it, because they were all like, we don't know how it works, we don't know how to cook it and stuff. So I'm making this video to kind of share with them how it's made and for a recipe for my son. So enjoy. So now I'm adding the chocho to the pot. and I'm going to leave it a bit to boil. To be honest with you guys, I don't remember if it cooks very fast or if it takes time. I don't really remember, but anyhow, I can already add the cube. So in the meantime, while I wait for the pot to boil and the chayote to cook, just gonna have a bit of a drip. Not much. This is normal for chefs. And then wait for the pot to simmer. They have a drip. Okay guys, so the kohlrabi soup is, what am I saying? Not kohlrabi. The chayote soup is finished, and I'm gonna call David now to get his soup. David! So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope for those who have never heard of chocho or chayote, now you have an idea of what it is and how to prepare it. Like, there are many ways you can prepare it, but this is a very healthy way of preparing it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the content, click the notification bell, like the video. We thank you. We will appreciate it if you do that. Thank you. Bye. Until next time.